My film is titled Luck, and it's about a young girl who loses her father, and she writes a letter to God, and in doing that she gets in contact with an unusual character who helps her turn her life around. So the story is about, you never know what's going to happen from one day to the next, and also the themes of beginnings and endings, and youth and old age runs throughout the story. And I made the film with a crew of 3 people, and I'm very happy with the results, and my actors were very professional, and my lead actress, this is her first film, so I'm very happy about that. She did a really good job.